Turkey. Turkey country that occupies a unique geographic position, lying partly in Asia and partly in Europe. Throughout its history, it has acted as both a barrier and a bridge between the two continents. Turkey is situated as the crossroads of the Balkans, Caucasus, Middle East and Eastern Mediterranean. It is among the larger countries of the region in terms of territory and populations, and its land area is greater than that of any European state. The country has a north-south extent that from about 300 to 400 miles, and it stretches about 1000 miles from west to east. Turkey is bounded on the north by the Black Sea, on the northeast by Georgia and Armenia, on the east by Iran, on the southeast by Iraq and Syria, on the southwest and west by the Mediterranean Sea and the Aegean Sea, and on the northwest by Greece and Bulgaria. The capital is Ankara and its largest city and port is Istanbul. Of a total boundary length of some 4,000 miles, about 3/4 in maritime, including coastline along the Black Sea, the Aegean and the Mediterranean, as well as the narrow that link the Black and Aegean Seas. Turkey is predominantly mountainous country, and true lowland is confined to the coastal fringes. About 1/4 of the surface has an elevation above 4,000 feet, and less than 2/5 lies below 1,500 feet. Mountains creates exceeds 7,500 feet in many places, particularly in the east. The central massif is located in the western half of the country between the Panitic and the Tracis systems. This elevated zone is often referred to the Anatolian Plateau, although its relief is much more varied than this term suggests. Patterns of natural vegetation are closely related to those of relief climate and soils. There are two main types: steppe grassland, which occurs mainly in central Anatolia and the southeast, but are also found in lowland Thrace and its the valleys and basins of eastern Anatolia, and forest and woodland, which cover the contrast between the interiors and the coast, produce 6 main climate regions. The Black Sea coastland are the wettest regions with rain throughout the years and a winter maximum annual total exceeds 32 inches, reaching 96 inches in the east. Since its inception in 1923, Turkey has operated a mixed economy in which both state and private enterprise contribute to economic development. The economy has been transferred from predominantly agriculture to one in which industries and services are the most productive and rapidly expanding sectors. A decade into the 21st century, the service sectors engage about 1/2 of the workforce, while agriculture and industry each occupied about 1/4.